Hi, my name is Andrew, but my friends and family and my favorite customers call me Dre. I am the residential service manager for Kalos Services. You're probably watching this video because you have a problem and I'm here to help. One of our most common problems for the residential HVAC service department is a clogged drain line. So signs that you can look for, you know that your system's not working, but signs that you can look for a clogged drain line are a blank thermostat. Obviously your system is not running. And then right here is the safety float switch. If that is full of water, you probably have a backed up drain line. So outside, in 90% of the cases, you're gonna have an outdoor condensing unit. Normally somewhere near your outdoor condensing unit, you're gonna have a PVC pipe that is gonna come from inside and comes outside. I have my shop vac here. This is what I use on my truck. Any shop vac will do, and we want to hook up that shop vac to the line. It's okay if it's not the exact same size, because what you can do once it's turned on is throw a rag around it to make sure that you've got good suction. So I'm gonna turn this on. Once you have your vacuum hooked up and running to the outside pipe, somewhere on your system, you're gonna have an area where you can get access to the, kind of the inside of that pipe. We want to flush the inside of that pipe with warm water. You should be able to hear that vacuum pulling nice and good and strong. Sometimes it might take another gallon or two until you can hear like a good strong pull from your vacuum outside. Once you've flushed your drain line with a couple of gallons of water, come turn off your vacuum. Last couple of steps in wrapping up after you've attached your vacuum and cleaned out the line, flushed it with water, you need to refill the trap. You can do that by just sending maybe a gallon of water down that pipe. Just slowly. 1 gallon, you're not gonna break anything, you're not gonna do anything wrong. Don't forget to remove that. I've done that before, left that in there. Cap everything back up. Lastly, we need to clear the water from the float switch. One of the easiest ways to do that, depending on where your application is, sometimes it can be kind of tough to get in there. What a lot of us service technicians have on our van is just a turkey baster. Maybe you have one in your kitchen. Get the water out of there. And then place that safety float switch back in there. That way for next time, if this line ever backs up, water fills in here, turns the system off so it doesn't run and continue flooding. So again, those are steps that you can do if your thermostat is blank, your system isn't running, you have water in that safety overflow switch. You can hook up a vacuum and kind of clear that clog out, get any of that bacteria that might be clogging up that drain line. Refill the trap after flushing a couple gallons of water down. Get water out of that safety float switch. Your thermostat should come back on. And if it doesn't, we still have a Kalos technician on the way to come take a look at your system. Thanks for watching, and hopefully that helped.